Now, what's your name?
Shaila.
Shaila. Okay, Shaila. I'd like you to actually listen to each one of these. Now, we have two sets of cylinders. You've got to listen to them and match their sounds. You can just... You have to match one red with the blue. Are they the same?
No.
Okay, go on. Are they? Let's see. Yes? Really? Check again. Alright, she found one match. Kudos, very good. Alright, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much, Shaila. So, this is how we heighten the sense of hearing in young children. Each one of these cylinders is filled with beans.